Indian Army Chief General Bipin Rawat is visiting Nepal on March 28 through 31st to receive an honorary title of Nepal Army. He will also visit Nepal Army high-altitude military warfare training centers. India treats Nepal as its colony and desires to govern the region by suppressing weaker countries like Nepal. 1950 Indo-Nepal Treaty of Peace and Friendship is just a well-prepared document for a farce. India's rebuffing behavior clearly depicts its authoritative approach. India's encroachment of about 59,970 hectares of Nepalese territory at 54 points in 21 districts is challenging its sovereignty. The Gorkha soldiers serving in the Indian Army are experiencing an unsympathetic discrimination. Their contributions are acknowledged in nothing but well-crafted lip service. Besides countless incidents, India recently attacked Nepalese on the border, killing one citizen. Nepalese PM showed serious concerns, calling it unacceptable foreign interference on Nepal's sovereignty. India imposed an undeclared blockade on Nepal in 2015, dragging it into economic and humanitarian crisis. Nepali sturdily objected the blockade, urging India to back off, and protested aggressively in front of Indian embassy against the recent killing of a Nepalese on border. Human Rights Watch has also charged India for trafficking Nepalese females into India for prostitution, who are kept in conditions tantamount to slavery. A Nepalese girl was also recently raped inside Indian embassy, UAE, where an Indian intelligence officer helped the assailant to flee. India's self-centered behavior influenced Nepal to refuse attending SAARC summit. This refusal barred Nepal to earn economic benefits from development projects offered by the organization. The question Nepalese are asking today is, does Indian Army Chief deserve a welcome in Nepal?